today's recipe is Semiya Upma or Vermicelli Upma recipe. Take a kadai, take 1 or 2 teaspoon oil, add vermicelli. We have to cook it first. So I have taken anil semiya. You can use some other if you want. So you have to roast it a little bit in oil. I have not crushed it, so the grains left long. Long. I like that grain should be long. So I have roasted it. Now add hot oil to cook vermicelli. So let it cook, don't cook more because it is very soft vermicelli. So cook it 1 minute and remove it from the water. Strain it. This is almost cooked. You can add salt if you want. I forgot to add. So I will add later in the upma. So whatever required for third cup, finally chopped onion, capsicum, carrot, tomato, green chili, coriander, curry leaves and green peas. So take a kadai, add 1 or 2 teaspoon, maybe 3 teaspoon oil. Lot of vegetables are there, so we need oil little bit more. 2 teaspoon urad dal, 2 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon mustard. Fry it well. Believe me guys, this is very tasty. You can try it once. 1 small cup groundnuts, raw groundnuts. You can definitely try and message me how is the taste. Whatever I prepared, it come out very tasty. 1 teaspoon jeera. So curry leaves, green chili finely chopped. I am closing because outside the oil will come out. 2 finely chopped onion, allow to cook it well. Add 1 finely chopped carrot, capsicum 1 cap finely chopped. Mix it well. Try it once and tell me the taste in the comment. 1 small cup green peas. Mix it well. Tomato 1 finely chopped. Mix it. Close the lid and allow 2 to 3 minutes to cook it because carrot will be a bit hard. Capsicum carrot, you have to give some time. Add small teaspoon turmeric. Mix it. Salt as per the taste. You can adjust the salt taste later on. Add the vermicelli, whatever you have cooked and kept, add it. You can add it by spoon or hand. You have to make it open and you have to add. Mix it well. Believe me guys, this is very tasty upma. Whatever I have prepared, you can try it once. So mix it well. You can prepare anil semiya or any other semiya. But a hard semiya you have to cook more. This semiya is very soft, so we have to cook very less. Otherwise it will sticky. Off the flame, add finely chopped coriander and lemon juice. Mix it well. Serve with this upma hot. This is mouth watering. You can see the color, texture. Definitely try it once. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.